Investors. Welcome back to Stocks and Real Estate. Are you looking for tools to identify undervalued gems in the stock market that can deliver substantial returns? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm breaking down exactly what screeners we can use to find undervalued stocks with great upside potential. Let's get started. First, let's quickly define what an undervalued stock is. Simply put, an undervalued stock is one that is trading below its intrinsic value. This could be due to market inefficiencies, negative sentiment, or temporary issues affecting the company. Smart investors use these tools to identify these opportunities before the rest of the market catches on. Stock screeners are essential. Websites like FinViz, Yahoo Finance, and TradingView allow you to filter stocks based on valuation metrics. I personally love TradingView for their charts and indicators as well. Here are key filters you should add to your stock screener to help identify undervalued stocks. Feel free to screenshot this page so you do not lose these filters. We want to make sure the company is actually still growing, despite a recent sell-off in price. So these are essential to add. We want a market capitalization above 1 million, at least 10% revenue growth, and EPS growth from last year. Return on investment and operating margin above 10%. Sales growth greater than 10% in the last 5 years. These two filters may be the most important. EMA 50 and 200 are at least 10% above the current price. Now let's see what companies appear when these filters are inputted. Additionally, if you like to stick to solid, well-known names in the S&P 500, feel free to add that filter as well. When adding this filter, we will see that there are currently 16 names that fit these parameters and great companies to start looking into. Make sure to have this screener saved for when buying opportunities present themselves following this market turbulence. So how do we determine which of these stocks are worth buying at discounted prices? Here are a few key metrics you should always check when searching for undervalued stocks. 1. Price to earnings, PE. A low PE ratio compared to industry peers may indicate an undervalued stock, but don't rely on this alone. 2. Price to book PB ratio. If the PB ratio is below 1, the stock may be trading for less than the value of its assets. 3. Discounted cash flow, DCF. Analysis. This is one of the most effective ways to determine a company's intrinsic value by projecting future cash flows. 4. Debt-to-equity ratio, debt and equity comparison chart. You want companies with low debt levels, as too much debt can be a red flag. 5. Insider buying. If company executives are buying shares, it's often a bullish sign. Now that you know what to look for, here's some other ways you can find undervalued stocks. Earnings reports and 10K filings. Read company financials to identify strong fundamentals. Market news and trends. Stay updated on macroeconomic trends that may cause temporary stock price dips. Industry comparisons. Compare stocks to their industry peers to spot mispricings. Let's take a look at a real-world example. Meta was trading at a PE ratio of about 13, with an underlying price of $120 at the end of 2022. The company typically had been trading around a PE of 25 previous to that drop. Meta had strong cash flows and insiders were buying in. Fast forward 2 years later, Meta hit its all-time high trading at a price of $740 and it delivered over a 500% return. That's the power of spotting undervalued stocks early while there is a discount. Keep in mind, not all trades will work as successfully and with the same velocity as the Meta returns. I always try to keep track of which of the 500 companies in the S&P are trading at their 52-week low, and which of these names are solid companies that you believe will still be around in 10 years. These companies might be trading at a discount compared to other large blue-chip names, and could deliver substantial returns in the next 5 to 10 years. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to finding undervalued stocks with high upside potential. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more investing tips. Also, drop a comment below. What's your favorite undervalued stock right now? Let's discuss if it's a good buy.